It's not RC. Adventures in Radio Control. I haven't made one of these in a while, but I have some footage of this silliness. We were down at the Trumbull Indian Ledge Floatfly the other day, and somebody had the idea of trying to do an Aerotow from a Floatplane. So I grabbed my little Zaggy here, and Roger here on the tow plane, and we didn't have floats on the glider, but we figured we could tow it off the beach, and hopefully I would get in the air before we hit the lake. It was a bit sketchy, but I got in the air, as you can see. So that's the first time we've tried that. There's a slow motion. Yeah, very sketchy indeed. So I did actually think about putting floats on the glider, and I decided that was a bad idea, but maybe we'll try that next year. I don't know. But anyway, a quick video. Hope you enjoyed that. Take care.